Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to play chess online with friends on chess.com. So first thing you're going to need to do is open chess.com on your browser and then log into your account if needed. Once you're logged in and in the homepage of the chess.com, you can see here the play a friend. So you can go ahead and search for that person's username or email. So you can also send email invite, or you can also find friends on Facebook. And in this one, I'm gonna be making a challenge link. So you can go ahead and choose your preferred um, room or whatever it is. So you can also set the time, and then you just have to copy the link and send it to your friends so that they can enter the room and play with you on chess.com. So that's it. That's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!